In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase stash size in Arc Raiders. If you've been running out of space for gear and resources, expanding your stash is a quick quality of life upgrade that keeps your inventory organized and your missions efficient. I'll walk you through the exact path in the menus, explain what you'll see along the way, and share a few tips so you know what to expect before you click Upgrade. Start at the game's main menu. From here, open your inventory. On keyboard and mouse, pressing the Tab key is the fastest way. If you prefer clicking, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and select the Inventory button there. Either method brings you into the inventory interface where you can review your equipped items and storage. Once you're inside, focus on the left side of the screen. This is where your stash lives. It's your extended storage, separate from your currently equipped items, and it's the place that fills up quickly when you're looting, crafting, or swapping builds. When you need more room, you're going to expand this stash. Look to the top right corner of the stash panel for the expand icon. It's easy to miss if you're moving quickly, so take a second to hover your cursor over the stash section and spot that icon. Click it, and the game will open an explanation window that outlines how stash expansion works and what the current requirements are to unlock the next tier. This can include in-game currency, materials, or progression criteria. If anything's unclear, pause on this screen and read the details. The game tells you exactly what you need and how much. If you meet the requirements, you're ready to proceed. Click Upgrade Stash to confirm. The game will process the upgrade, increase your capacity, and you'll see the new stash size reflected right away. If the button is grayed out, you're missing something, usually a resource amount or progression milestone. So, back out, gather what's needed, and return to repeat the same steps. A couple of quick tips. Stash upgrades are typically permanent, so you won't need to rebuy them each session. If you're aiming to optimize early, consider timing your upgrade when you consistently hit your stash limit, so you're not spending resources too soon. And if you don't see the expand icon, double-check you're in the stash section on the left, not your equipped loadout. That's all there is to it. From the main menu, open Inventory, find your stash on the left, click the expand icon, review the requirements, and hit Upgrade Stash. Enjoy the extra space and smoother runs.